Solis is a very old and storied brand out of Switzerland. They were founded in 1908, and their first product was an electric heated pillow, a real innovation at the time. In 1933, they began to make hair dryers, and they're still a leader in hair dryers today. They entered the coffee space much later. In 1985, Solis invented and marketed the first super automatic espresso machine for home use. And from there, they developed the Solis Master, which was a legendary espresso machine in this industry, gaining huge market share in Switzerland, their home market, in Europe, and even making its way to North America. Back in 2009, when we first started, we actually sold the Solis Master 5000 and the Solis Master Digital, and it was a fantastic machine that received a really great response. Solis would eventually exit the super automatic space, but they're still involved in coffee, and it's in their DNA, and we see that in the Solis Barista Perfetta Plus. The Solis Perfetta Plus is a super compact home espresso machine that's designed for enthusiastic beginners or people who just want a fantastic espresso machine without taking up a lot of counter space. The machine stands at 29.8 centimeters tall. It's only 15.3 centimeters wide. It's tiny when it comes to width and 31.9 centimeters deep. Despite its tiny stature, the machine still has a very decent 1.3 liter water tank. I'm going to demonstrate the Solis Perfetta Plus by making a couple of different drinks. I'm going to make, of course, espresso and then some milk-based drinks. And I'm also going to talk about what makes this machine a better choice in a very crowded market space, because there are a lot of machines that are similar to this, but the Perfetta Plus is a clear winner because of its quality, design, and features. In front of me, I've got three machines, which are the colors that we currently have available. It's black, brushed stainless steel, and white. Like I mentioned before, it has a 1.3 liter water tank, and that's accessed here. You just take the lid off. It's got a little handle, and you can just move it sideways to take it out and bring it to your water source, fill it up with water. Or the opening is also quite large, so you can fill it from a pitcher. Since the machine is so short, it's actually quite easy to reach. You would just put a pitcher and pour that water inside. In the front of the machine, we have the Portafilter, and I love Solis's Portafilter. It is a quite sturdy, nice and heavy in the hand. The handle is very nice, a sleek design. I feel that this is the best quality Portafilter out of any machine that I've seen in this kind of range. It's they call it a 54 millimeter Portafilter, but actually the tamper that you use is a 53 millimeter. So that's what you would use here. The machine comes with 5 different baskets. You get your single and your double dose pressurized baskets, and those are for if you're using pre-ground coffee. And then you also get a single and a double non-pressurized basket. Now, a non-pressurized basket is a traditional basket that you would find in any espresso machine, whether commercial or higher end home. And it is designed to use with pre-ground coffee. Your coffee has to be ground to the appropriate level, so you'll need a proper espresso grinder, but the results will be a lot better. The 5th basket is a basket for ESC pods. ESC pod stands for Easy Serving Espresso. They're not really that common here in North America, but if you do find them, you can use that with your machine. On the front of the machine, we also have a pressure gauge. That is an extraction manometer. It measures the pressure inside the portafilter during our extraction. Up here, we have the 4 buttons that we use to interact with the machine. It's all very, very simple. We've got a programming button, a single and a double dose button, and our steam button. The single and double dose buttons are, of course, programmable. It's super easy to program. All you do is you hold it in while you're making your coffee. Once you have enough inside your cup, you let it go. It will remember it for next time. And you can program both those buttons to whatever your preferences are. The Solis Barista Perfetta Plus has an internal PID system that helps you control the temperature. There's 3 different temperature settings. That's low, normal, or standard, and high. The way we change the temperature, super simple. I press the programming button, and then I press the single cup button. And now there's 3 options: low, normal, high. I'm leaving it at normal, which is the double cup button, and I press the program button again. If I wanted to go to low, I would just press the single cup button. If I wanted to go to high, I would press the steam button. It's super easy. The steam wand on the right here is really what differentiates this machine even more from machines in this class. It is an awesome steam wand with a single hole tip. You can really move the milk around, and I'll show you that afterwards when I'm making a milk-based drink. But it's a nice quality on a kind of swivel joint, so you can move it in any direction. Really easy to use and a pleasure to use. So now let's see the Perfetta Plus in action, and let's make some drinks. So alongside the machine, I'm using a Baratza Encore espresso grinder. This is a nice grinder to pair with this machine. It does quite a nice job. I have it dialed in already. I'm grinding approximately 16 grams of coffee, and I've programmed my double dose button, which is what I'm going to be using to give us 32 grams of liquid inside our cups. So I've gone into this dosing cup here. It's cool that Baratza includes the 53, 54 millimeter dosing cup. Makes it nice and easy. Now this tamper that I'm using, I want to point out, is included inside the box, and it's really nice quality. Again, it's a stainless steel base, a nice handle, good weight to it, very good quality inside the box, so you don't have to worry about buying another tamper. I'm going to engage my group here. Now, I'm going to be using this platform here just to raise my cups a little bit. This is an optional accessory that's available. It's basically just a nice little clever cup raiser, and I'm going to be extracting my espresso. So you see the pressure gauge goes up. When you're in that 9, 10, it's at about 11 bars right now. In that range, you know we're getting a nice shot of espresso. We're getting a really nice result. And if you take a look at that really good looking shot of espresso. Let me give it a taste. Yeah, that's really good. So the next drink I'd like to demonstrate is a milk-based drink, a latte or a cappuccino. So in order to make a latte, we're going to press the steam button and the machine will begin raising the temperature. Switching into steam mode takes approximately, I don't know, 20 to 23 seconds, I would say. And during the heat up, we'll hear the machine purge. So it kind of purges some water into the boiler. This is a really awesome feature because it keeps things nice and clean. You don't have to purge the wand. As soon as that light is solid, we're ready to start steaming. And you can see it's solid right now, so very simple. I'll just position my wand here and begin steaming. Now for a machine of this size, it really moves the milk very nicely and very well. You can create really decent, really nice actually, microfoam with this, which is oftentimes very difficult to do on similar machines because you get a lot more water inside the milk. But the Solis just does a really tremendous job. Got a beautiful kind of whirlpool motion mixing the milk. And I'll stop it right there. Give my wand a wipe. Just a very quick purge. And now to get out of this mode, to get back to brewing mode, I just press this single cup button. And this is another really amazing feature. It purges, it's cooling down the boiler. And it does that into the drip tray. You don't have to do it through the steam wand like many other machines. It's clean and it's quick. There we go, that's all. It's ready to brew now. The two lights are solid. So I put my portafilter in. I've already ground and dosed my coffee. Place my cup and brew. Okay, so now let's add our milk. Now this milk looks like white paint, really fantastic. For a machine of this size, it's just sensational. There we go. Even with my rudimentary latte art skills, I was able to pour what it kind of looks like a rosetta, but still you can see that the milk quality is actually really excellent. I absolutely love it. I'm going to taste this cappuccino. It tastes fantastic as well. Now for my final drink, I'm going to make an Americano. And the steam one actually has a dual purpose. So we can use it for steam like we did before, or we can actually use it to dispense hot water. And what I'll do is I'll just position that there and just trim this on, and we get hot water. And what I absolutely love on machines like this is that this hot water is brewing temperature. So it's the same temperature of your coffee. With my hot water ready, I've already got my coffee dosed and ground here. I will place my cup underneath. You can see we have a nice clearance as well, good high clearance. And then we add our espresso. I like to do my Americanos water first for this reason exactly, because we get that lovely crema that rests on top. It's a much nicer presentation in my opinion. And there you have it, an Americano that is, looks really amazing and is ready to drink, all in under 1 minute. And the temperature is perfect. It's ready to drink right from the machine. There really is a lot to like about the Solis Perfetta Plus. Its small stature does not diminish its very rich feature set. I mean, this machine makes awesome drinks. I enjoyed and was impressed by all 3 drinks that we made, the espresso, the latte, and the Americano. It does them all with ease. I mentioned before the Solis is Swiss designed, and on top of that, the Profeta Plus build quality exceeds the competition, and it is backed by a 2-year parts and labor warranty. iDrinkCoffee.com is not only a service provider for Solis, but we're also the Canadian importer and distributor. We work together with the manufacturer to bring you these fantastic products, which we hope that you'll love and use in your home. If you have any questions about the Profeta Plus or any one of our products, please feel free to reach out to iDrinkCoffee.com. We're here to help. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like these about espresso machines, coffee grinders, and everything to do with coffee. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.